Hi Capricorn, this is your reading for this week, that is the 8th of February to the 14th of February. Please take what resonates and leave what doesn't. Not every message here is meant for everyone watching. This is for Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus or Jupiter. Whatever placement is yours. Please allow the messages to flow in freely. Take what is meant for you and leave what is not. Take a deep breath, Capricorn. Be aware of everything that's happening within you and around you. Take this. Bring in total consciousness. Total consciousness. Wow. Definitely something about your community. Something that you can build together with someone. If you're thinking whether you should go for that partnership or not, maybe it's time to really go ahead. Take if this message belongs to you. If it doesn't, please don't. Your community could be helping you build something. When I say your community, it need not mean your social community. It could be your friend circle. It could be your spiritual community. You might be building something together with someone. A lot of action that needs to be taken, I sense here. Time for some action. Some sort of action. Whatever it is that you're contemplating. If it's about your marriage, and if you're looking to have kids, maybe this is the time. And if you're planning to have kids, maybe this is the time. Yes, that's all that the oracle is talking to me about. A very nurturing energy I sense here. Capricorn. Let's see. Alright, Cappy, the overall energy for the reading is the Queen of Wands. You might be wanting to take action towards something you're passionate about. In the recent past, you have the Death, the Nine of Pentacles and the Page of Cups. You may have completed some sort of cycle. You may have ended a relationship, a partnership, a situation in your life. And while you were feeling all independent and strong all by yourself, you may have received an apology from somebody. Some sort of communication from somebody. In the current situation, you have the Four of Cups, the Two of Wands and the Strength. You are still deciding, at least trying to decide on what is it that you want to do. You've not quite decided, I feel, here at present. You are still contemplating. Maybe you don't have the resources. Maybe you are not seeing a way ahead. You are not able to do it on your own. But just know that you have the strength here to do it. Whatever it is that you're thinking of taking action towards. It could be a business opportunity. In the immediate future, you have the Four of Wands, the World and the Ten of Wands. Some sort of completion in a relationship, a partnership, coming again, or this could be happening already for some of you. Maybe this is the final closure that you are putting to a situation in your life. We'll clarify to see what that is. We'll also clarify to see the Queen of Wands here once. Yes, moving forward towards something, you get the Three of Swords and the Six of Swords. It's time to leave behind something that's causing you pain. Please. The Page of Cups there in the recent past. Can we have more clarity on that, please? What is this? Can I have some more clarity? Can I have some more clarity before I talk? Thank you. Yes, definitely some sort of communication that came your way. For some of you, I do sense this communication could have been of an ending that put you in a place of independence, or I do feel a lot of free energy here. Something that you finally felt free, you finally felt relieved to be out of something. For some of y'all, it could have caused pain, and I'm sure for the others also it could have caused some pain. But I do see it has given you the power to take action in your life, the power to decide for yourself what is it that you want next, what is it that you want, how is it that you want to live your life. It could be something related to society. For some of you, that's what I get here. A lot of things that you may be surrendering because that's how the society wanted you to be. I think there is some sort of ending there. Alright. In the current situation, while you are contemplating, do we need to clarify anything here? Can you clarify the Four of Cups, please? Okay. There is a lot of mind involved in your current energy, a lot of thinking. For some of y'all, it could be time to go ahead with what is it that you are thinking of doing. I do sense that you all may not be seeing the way yet, the clear way forward yet. Four of Wands. Right. Can you have some more cards for the Four of Wands, please? Capricorn for the direction this week. For the Four of Wands, you get the Empress, the Nine of Wands, and the King of Pentacles. A lot of heaviness around this situation, and I don't think this is something brand new that you are again putting an end to. I do sense this is some sort of past that you are putting behind because you've grown out of it. You've grown way ahead of whatever you were in the past. I do see that was becoming burdensome for you. For some of y'all, your partner could have cheated on y'all. A very sneaky behavior here your partner might have showed. Maybe the person was not sure whether they want to be with you, whether they want to take it to marriage or not. And I think you are putting that burden down finally. For some of you, this could be leading into an arranged marriage setup. If you all are not already married. Putting down to or putting down a situation that you thought could be your long term thing. Putting, for some of you, it could be putting down societal burdens, societal pressure that you have, and finding a new way of living your life. That this message is particularly resonating. Like, I do feel that energy strongly here. So that could be the case for most of you guys out here. Cappies, nevertheless, just keep moving forward. And I think you are doing a good job here. I don't think there is anything that I need to tell you to do. You are doing absolutely fine. You are very much standing in your power and deciding for yourself. And yes, trust me, if you are deciding, thinking there's no rush, please take your time, think through as much as you want. Just do arrive at a decision soon. Instead of taking a lot of time, I think you have contemplated enough. Yes, if you need some more time, please take it and decide for yourself, which I think you will do eventually, or you are already doing. Okay, Cappies, that's the message I have for you guys. I hope this resonated. If not, please watch for your moon, rising, Venus, or Jupiter. Please take what message resonated with you and leave what did not. Not every message is meant for everyone, like I always say. Alright, Cappies, until next time. See you soon, guys. Bye-bye.